Hi guys, press check. I'm about to test this Beretta PX4 Storm. Is a single action, double action 9mm. Ito yung yung favorite gun ni Mr. Langdon. So check natin. Firing. Guys, ang ganda niya. Bali, actually yung tingin ko sa kanya, okay naman siya. Yung stippling niya maganda. So yung balance niya sa kamay is okay for me. So, ang ganda for 9mm. And of course, it's a Beretta. You can't go wrong with that. So, yun. Press check, Beretta PX4 Storm.